Has it ever happened to you that your air gap leaks water and you can't figure out where it's coming from or what's causing it? Today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. Your dishwasher under here, when it empties, it flows through this air gap down into the disposal. So there's something clogged in that line. Today I'm going to show you how to solve it. This is your air gap, and this little slot in here should be pointed towards your sink. So whenever it overflows, it'll go into the sink. So we're going to take this apart here to be able to see what's inside. All right, so the trick is put your screwdriver down here and just lift this guy up. And looky there, oh my. Let me show you what's inside there so you can see. There's our issue right there. Everything that's in there that's clogged up, that's preventing all this thing from flowing. It's causing the overflow. So let's look inside there and we're gonna clean that out as well. This is the brush I ordered on Amazon to clean the air gap. This little brush goes in the hose. Now there are a couple ways you can clean this. This is one of the ways. The other way, you can go underneath the sink and the hose that's connected to here, you can disconnect it and clean this out. But basically this goes down through There it is. There's all the junk that's clogged up. All right, so now this has gone into the line, which empties into the disposal, and I can see the end of the line in the sink. Let me show you. All right, here's the sink. And I'm going to move the line, and you can see it move in the sink back and forth. That's the end of the line. So you can see it's got a bunch of junk on it. Let's clean it off. You're going to run the line into the hose multiple times until you're satisfied that you've got all the gunk that's cleaned out, and your water will flow nice and freely into the disposal. This is all the gunk that was in the air gap line, and you can see quite a bit of stuff. So now all we're going to do is wash this up and put it back in. That guy pops in, and then you put this guy back on. No more water on the counter. This is the line that goes into the disposal from the air gap. I suggest you clean your air gap about every 6 months. And once you have this tool, you might as well clean the hose too. Easy maintenance, can all be done from above the sink. It'll save you money, particularly if you're worried about water getting on your counter, or worse, getting on your hardwood floors. This $6 or $7 little tool makes quick work for cleaning your air gap. So if you liked our video on how to prevent water leaks from the air gap, give us a thumbs up. Want to see more of our DIY projects? Consider subscribing down below. And as usual, come back and see me real soon.